Hello everybody and welcome to another hotel room tour. Today we are at Motel 6, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. So I'll give you a look around and it's not going to take that long because there's not that much to see because it's pretty small. But without further ado, I will show it to you. Okay. So starting where you walk in the door, you see the sink to the right. Kind of an interesting place to put it. And kind of a small vanity too, but that's okay. There's a mirror with your favorite content creator. Off to the right is the bathroom. We have the toilet, bathtub, and shower head. Oh, pretty standard. On to the desk area with a chair kind of close to the TV there. And there's the TV. Ice bucket with a few cups. Trash can. Space for storage. Coat rack. Then we get to the bed with the shelves on the side. Now this is a nice, welcome, modern touch. There's USB ports. I have not seen that in a Motel 6 yet, so props for that. On the other side, same thing, just with my stuff on it. A landline, which I hardly doubt anyone's going to use. And the bed itself. Let's jump on it. I think this is memory foam. So, that's nice. Only 2 pillows, but that's enough for just me. And last but not least, the view. Oh, forgot to mention the air conditioning and heating unit, which since we're in March, I'm not going to use the heating. It's kind of old school, but seems fine. And last but not least, the view. Let's open it up and see what we got. Got a nice view of the hotel next door. And some House of Carpets. That's exciting. And a field. And some greenery. Not the worst view. And that is it, guys. let me show you the size of this room. Okay, come here. That's it. That's the whole room. So my overall opinion, it's actually pretty nice. Just not that big, but at the same time, it has everything you need. And definitely worth it for a budget hotel if you want to save some money. If you're traveling by yourself, or even if you're not, you want to save some money among friends, that'll save even more. This room was $83 for 2 nights. Of course, that was the online deal, but even so. So yeah, I can't really complain at that price. So yeah, this is... Now, I don't usually go out of my way to stay at Motel 6. I just look for the cheapest closest place, and a lot of times it does happen to be Motel 6. I have never had a bad experience at one. And so far, this one seems fine too. So that is it for the Motel 6 in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the Hollywood Undead concert, which I will be at tomorrow. And for all things traveling concert, keep it tuned right here to the Cool Concert channel. And that's all for now.